Yo, what's up guys? It's Iron J Moto here, and today is a special day. It's one of my friend Jayleigh's birthdays, so all of our friends had organized to do a little parade. So I'm pretty excited. I mean, I've seen a lot of these like parades online because, you know, social distancing and all that. So pretty excited that this will be one that I get to be a part of. So I figured I'd go ahead and get on the motorcycle and make an appearance. The only bad thing is I was out riding with my dad earlier today and it was like super warm, and now it's like really cold and cloudy. I don't know what happened here. Have any of you guys been able to do one of these parades for your friends? Show some love during a time like now? I think it's pretty cool when, you know, during times like now that, you know what I mean, friends come together and do special stuff like this, because it really just shows the faith in humanity and the good people that you surround yourself by, you know what I mean? So I'm really excited for this. So Jayleigh, if you're watching this too, happy birthday to you. A little backstory on Jayleigh and I's relationship is that she is a rapper and she's an artist. And if you guys don't know, I am a record producer and audio engineer as my day job. And I've known Jayleigh for a while, so she actually comes to me for music and coming and working in the studio. And she's super talented, awesome to work with. So yeah, that's kind of a little backstory on our relationship. I can't believe that it got this cloudy all of a sudden. Like, I'm not even lying to you. It was like straight up summertime earlier. My dad and I went riding for about an hour and a half around town. It's pretty nice. Also, my last vlog, I think I need to calm down. It sounded like I was clipping the GoPro with the microphone. Obviously with the wind and the exhaust going, it feels like I need to shout, but I forget that the microphone's literally like right by my mouth. So I'm gonna try to just like relax a little bit with my talking. And this is my first time using this cell phone holder. I really hope it holds up. I got it on Amazon and it had a lot of good ratings, but of course those like few 1-star ratings make you second guess everything. Man, I just want to say I love having a motorcycle. It's literally the best thing ever. You just like hop on it and just get on the road. It is a little bit different trying to do this moto vlogging thing, so it's like syncing the cameras. It's a lot to think about once you get set up, man. It's just, you know, you're just riding the motorcycle, but it is a little bit extra just trying to get prepared, but it's not too bad and it's worth it. I get to take you guys on the road with me. It's fun. Man, now that I have this Saddlemen step-up seat, I feel like I can kind of gun it a little bit now. Before, you know, I was kind of using my arms a little bit to kind of hold on. I was like falling out of my seat, but now I can just punch it. And I feel a lot more in with the bike, a little bit more secure, and I love it. Look at that, beautiful. Ooh, a little bit of twisty action. Let's go. Man, I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I was passing one of those police signs that tell you how fast you're going. I didn't even realize it was like blinking red. I was like showing my parents, like, hey, check out my vlog. And I passed that sign and all of a sudden it was like blinking red like I was speeding. So you gotta watch out for those things, man. Look at out here. It's beautiful out here, just living in the middle of nowhere. Man. And I lived in the city for about like 8 years of my life. So, but I grew up in the burbs, so I'm used to this, man. I love being out here. It's a lot more, I mean, I guess it's pros and cons, because I do love the city. Best thing I love about the city is the food and the culture, you know what I mean? lots of cool people with style, lots of food to eat at any time. Being out in the burbs gets a little tricky sometimes because I'm tatted, so like walking around anywhere, you get these suburban moms who like hide their children from me. And then you can't get anything to eat past like 10 o'clock besides like Denny's, Taco Bell, Burger King, McDonald's. But like in the city, I can go get a 5-star meal at 2 a.m. I miss that. Oh yeah, got neutral on the first try. For those of you who ride Harley Sporties, sometimes it took me quite a while to figure out how to finesse that clutch all the way in neutral. For some reason, it was like so tricky. I got on my homie's R3, and sport bikes be popping into neutral like butter. Alright, so it's the destination somewhere up here on the left, but I should probably take a left at the light, I'm guessing. What do I do? What was that? Is that where I should go? Alright. She told me to go to the library. Said follow her. And then dipped. Bet. I got my GPS because I don't know where I'm going.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we got all the cars decorated, all the homies here. So now we're gonna go ahead and make our way to say happy birthday. Yo, she was just texting me as we were all getting ready, so it worked out perfect. Woo! Happy birthday! Let's go! Alright guys, that's I and J Moto. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit like, and shout out to all you guys. Peace!